Hey everyone, Pat Lopez again. We're taping this on December 20th, and I'm with Dr. Emelinda Webb again. And we're addressing a question that came in informally. This one doesn't exactly pertain to vaccines, but it does pertain to the spread of COVID-19. And a couple of weeks ago, the pandemic operations team that's internal to the college made the decision to shut down in-person operations at the college over the break. So, we're working, but most everyone is working from home, and we're just really maintaining just a skeleton crew of people who actually absolutely have to be on campus, but not providing in-person services, with just a few exceptions. And the question that came in is like, how does that help? Or what does it do? So, Dr. Webb, you want to help us out with that?
Yeah. So it serves a couple of purposes. One is any community spread that's currently occurring. If we're not in that community space, I mean, we've been really careful at NPC to have the mask wearing and do the self-monitoring to check and see if you're sick and to keep the physical distance. But there's still going to be some community spread. And whether it happens at the college or whether it happens at home or whether you're going to work and you stop for a coffee or have to pick up lunch, you're increasing your risk of spread anytime you're outside of your home. So staying home helps with that. But additionally, if you're actually staying home, then anybody who has been infected and either is asymptomatic or is not yet symptomatic, especially considering it's actually the first couple days after infection that your viral load starts climbing. You may not have symptoms, you may never have symptoms, but even before those symptoms present, you're highly infectious. Those are actually the worst days to be out and about. So if we can stop that, if we can lower those numbers, that helps not only everybody in the college, but also everybody in the community. So by giving that full 2-week time period with limited contact and having people thinking about trying to be careful and slowing this down, it gives a chance for anybody who is sick to get better, but also to prevent that community transmission.
So it's kind of an issue of like, we're doing it because we can, because we have this opportunity at this point in time. So however small the contribution is, it still might be, because it's a numbers game, right?
Yeah.
Risk taking is about numbers and probability, and we know that every time we leave our houses, just like every time you get in your car and drive your car, you're assuming a certain amount of risk as well. Here, every time you interact with another person outside of your household, there's a certain risk as well.
Exactly.
That makes sense. And then I like that you alluded to the fact that it's sort of human behavior. I know that in non-pandemic times, and probably even more, especially now, you try to condense all of your errands in one day, right? So if you're going to the college, you might also go to the post office and swing by the store on your way home. And, potentially if, like you said, you're in that pre-symptomatic state or whatever, that increases the likelihood of community transmission. All right. Well, thanks a lot. I think that was helpful. All right, everyone. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.